Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to save LinkedIn profile as a PDF and you can use wherever you want very easily. You can save your personal LinkedIn profile or other friends or colleagues. So how to do it? It's very simple tips and tricks. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply you need first of all open your LinkedIn profile. So here is my LinkedIn profile. Here several options are available. Look at this. Here is my personal profile name and other information. Here section comes here, open to, add a profile section and more. You just simply click the more and boom, save as a PDF. And your profile is a save as a PDF. Look at this, your profile look like in a resume. Here is a contact detail, your name, experience, summary, all detailed informations you can very easily save as a PDF format. This is my personal. We can see another recruiter or another person. So I just simply type here one of my friend, his profile. So look at this. Here add section, those buttons are not coming because of this is another person LinkedIn profile. I can save here very easily. And boom, it's very simple tips and tricks, and that one is a really helpful to share your profile as a resume format. If you have no available your resume currently, so you can create your resume via LinkedIn profile. That point of view, you can design and develop your LinkedIn profile accordingly resume. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.